Abuna mukeso mama yabamu. Abuna mukeso mama yabamu. Mungo de mama Mungo de mama Mungo de mama Abuna mukeso mama yabamu. Abuna mukeso mama yabamu. Mungo de mama That's one Mungo de mama Mungo de mama Abuna mukeso mama yabamu. Abuna mukeso mama yabamu. Mungo de mama Choboy Choboy Hey 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 Choboy 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 Mungo de mama Mungo de mama Abuna mukeso mama yabamu. Hey Abuna mukeso mama yabamu. Hey Mungo de mama Mungo de mama Mungo de mama Abuna mukeso mama yabamu. Abuna mukeso mama yabamu. Hey Mungo de mama Okay, so good morning, ladies and gentlemen of Congress. Hello, Okada Riders, and all the guests that we are expecting here. This morning, the Okada Riders Association of Ghana, we are so much, I don't know how to express our joy and our happiness this morning. It was like a dream. I think that was about last week that we understand that the bill has been laid in Parliament. And we thought that the bill is being laid in Parliament to take about 21 sitting days. Then next day the news was everywhere that Okada is legal. And we said, how possible? And when we start making call, it is true. This is not a political, just a political promise or whatever. This is a rare promise by His Excellency, the President of the Republic. This morning we gather here to salute him and say a very big thanks to him. Not only him, but the Ministry of Transport as well. But this is his vision and his promise for the Okada Riders Association. All that we want to say this morning is that we salute him. We have a whole letter here, a whole petition that we are sending to him. We understand that he said he will not contest the third term again. But we are saying that if possible, because he's the son of the soil and all that, if he can listen to the voice of the men of God on our land, if he can listen to the voice of the king, the kingmakers and the people who are calling him to come back and whatever, if only he will listen to that voice, then we want to promise him that we have over 3.something million people in this business. We are all ready for him. We are there to support him for his coming back again, if only he will come back again. But if the law will not permit him, then whoever that he is going to win or is going to support, he should be very assured that Okada Riders Association, we are strongly behind him, and we will make sure that that person will retain and will do it as thanksgiving for what he has done to us and all that. We respect him. In fact, if we want to say the good thing that ever since he has turned the throne as president, I think we can't say all. Because one, as the dollar drop or the dollar have reduced, I can tell that the price of our motorbike and all those commodity, I mean, I'm talking about the fuel price, everything is down and all that. Today, we can buy 50 Ghana petrol or fuel and work the whole day without any stress and all that. We are so much happy for what His Excellency has done. We want to tell him that we just salute him and we say a very big thank to him. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Mahama Wabuaye said I'm boss and president can. Near himself political talk. Nanso abemu ampa yedanase pa yebebwa ba kun police for mo chie ebeba fo afi drivers no amo hire kwan so no munim se ye ni kwan se ye drive nti omo hire no omo nyina so ebeba fo ba ha no ye straight drivers ye pa omo cho se no omo ne big truck enanti a bibia ye omo big truck fo hu omo bo no omo so mu hu ye nso mobo ye sro omo ye pa omo cho afi yanka se Okada for no so yebebu Mahama ma na enim nwu ase Madam Wase. Yes. Yes.
Sankampo near the Madam Wase. We did it, Nana Labi, regional chairman. yedi kan onyame and the better now say about penny share born with this so with this so me come Ora Okada Riders Association members yen mama ye timu yen de say ya dia to nti ye de mra no so be share yen sa ohobio be sre members ni nyina all riders momo bibia amfa emra ne mfa nche ne sa ukotogo a umudi mra so udu traffic light asia gina say eso green a we move ba man nya wa adin say u pentem enya sa ye hu ba ya otan e wo man ni mu anya sa ye hu ba ye yin e wo kro no mu de ba sre me members abe mo ma yen siesie ho enya se kafra ya dia tumunti obia na wakota machine so me sre ena la course ni boy yesen ye ndi ye huni because ye adwuma kase a odi a hye yensa se wa dia to ni a who kwa adwuma dress se who ko office who so office no no me dem say you can do
Mejiri se menu bia woni adwuma ye enso be nya adwuma ye den aye na me kan sa na me wie ye na me ja futuo e kwa ma ye vehicles no se ye nyina e ba be ye menu se ye nyina ba be ye adwumafo enti mo mfa nsho mutim se e bia okada fo ba da twa adwuma enti ye ba be ye omotamfo ye soro mo hu ye mobo na yeso ye hu mobo ofa biem so afutuo we kwa ma ye okada riders fo no so am sa aban approve ma ye no nya ntresa ye ne police fo no e ba be ye atamfo omo ye na mfofo omo na ba kire kwan ya ye be ye dai ye ba faso e bia o twi moto na police ni gina o man fam na ne nhye wo nsam nya wa bi so be ye dai u be twa makọ e bia o nim de ye dai e wo ho am sa police fo no omo wo ho ye dai e ma ya ye nso se ye wo ho ye dai e ma ye nyina anti na sresa ye ni omo kada fo no so ye mfa ani die anyi adwuma na be ye se o man panyi ni nsa anya dai ansi fo kakra me so me dwuma ka no
acho ya da masa amma mun gudu mun mo ya man peni ana mun dile yo salamu alaikum ina ga da kowa excellency John da ma na gode Allah ya sami ka albarka Allah ba mu zaman lafiya lokacin da muke campaign mun doki wanga duka mun yi campaign muna cikin jin tsoro sai ka fi da mu cikin kunya ka cika muna alkawali wannan ma kawai mun gode miki Allah yi maka albarka honorable Fris na koyo MC mu duka mun yi campaign da shi yo excellency ga ba mu hanya ta fi mu cikin kunya muna nema muna roko Allah ya kara mai rawancin rai ya ba su lafiya masu kada ba kamar an ba ku hanya ku yi aikin nan kada ku doki film in lore na zuwa ba cross lo in ruwa ya buga ba cross hanya lore ka gani lore na zuwa ka zo ka cross bele ruwa ya buga polisa ne suke kasuwa kuma ina gode musu ba su da taurin kai yafiya ka suna aiki gaskiya polisi bai ka maki da banza in ga hanyanki ga hanyar polisi in ya stop ki ya kamata ka yi mi ka saya ka ba shi respect saboda ki ya fito saboda mu ya fito in ba mu na ba polisi no polisi mu kuma ba mu na
yedi kan ye beda ye president ase say legalization dey imi say ya wi na ye hye ni bobi say de ye no during campaign season a ye de ye hu chi mu e hye okada fo bo no ye ka hye ni biem so say ye ma education enye e form da en fam okada riders ye be boa na se bibia to na akwan mu a ye nso kwan a ye be fa so educate ye riders no se ne be ye kwan so jojo ni accident ni sa na ma ne me bi e hu mu safe ene se ne be ye be prevent your from rules and regulations as okada riders ne be boy hu modi bia as okada riders association say very shy amasa ne ma ni nyina ato na akwan mu jojo ye do bibia nso ase ene ye da riders nyina ra o mu tina mu during campaign season edibesi ne ye do bibia ase na mesre legalization ba bebe wo a woni license ebi ni say na ye no abomodin no ba be den wo ba be because Omo legalize the na say yeti ayeden ate. Omo de mra. Eni niema bebre ba be den e ba be kan. Yes na. Yensu yenye ema bibia e wo say edimu say yetuma na ayeye no e be koso Ghana na enko se de be ya de eno.
Like association. Obibias said I nyina o mampani ade ye bibia ade akabom say nyina yen ya baako na yen to move forward. The rule regulations so e baso a yamma yon crofo no so omomodi no bia ye dem obia ndi su pepepe say de be here e kon any police form so e na be ye djuma no so e na yam so be ko ndi tie nya fa ma ja police nti omo so mu ni ho a yeso ye say omo stop mo say oh munjina ho munjina no police for na ye dem e kasa for nti ya sam no e ye tentia ye doors nti asema e bitu na ka say mu media no for so ye shira na me shira eduma pa mu so bu ya no mo poso sa na eduma pa na engusu na ye e plug ya for na okada for nyina ye kambo ye ni e pe for nyina ye kambo na eduma
o si ye nyefe nyina jamake Greater Accra price chairman ni ibani wo ni mi pa moto tale fe fai ake eka wo ake bango wo na ake be mi ni aha wo ba ka wota moto ene wo o wa fe nu wo ti sumu agbene we aha wo afi ni wo ba hie nu no afro ba ta moto e kejo na ko 25 years alo 22 years e be ota moto e ko kejo bo gbeke no na ko na ka 22 years e no ye 20 no ye 18 19 wo de person abo afi mi no ba ni police amogo koni mraka baye eja ko ha bu membership card e ko won kwa fai agbena mu e won nyemo ke wo samo ke woni fe mo fe e be ya ke police fu wa ka me ni ba tuni no won kwa be fai kenkre aka me na omobo na me consider ni bi e kuma me ke ha wo mra wo le aka ba mo ti wonye wo ye fe no wa mamba consider na mba to wo gba no ba to no but na fe ko nu tu ne nye ye mu eja ga gba ko nu tu ne e ba bi ene wonye me ga me fe nye wo ke wo he awu ami ko nu okpa tribalism wo ke wonu tumo femi ko no ye bo awo agba na enwe mi ba ke enye me kroba me hu ipa ne be wa we rente ke be mi ni abri no ke ha wo no nye wo to wa pe kake nu wa ke tunu tumi no be na be ri kake be mi olom he wa mi nge ko nu wo to no be nu wa respect wa he nu wa dra wa he fine be na be ni passport so hu wa na bro nu wa ke ha me nu wa le be nu wa ba ko do ame ke ha na ngo to njom ke ba pragia te me tuo imi ni hise ni nyamu nyoto no ipa ne be pragia be mu advice ya ma on the safety lo ipa ne to pai nyen wo to be kake mutumo ne dano ye ka to jo ha bo to ma ne to wo to be amen.